कुजिराच्या एस डेम्पोच्या कॉमर्स आणि इकॉनॉमिक्स कॉलेजीन 11 ते 15 जुलै मेरेन सांताक्रूज मैदानाचेर आंतरवर्गीय फुटबॉल सर्त घडोवन हाडली। ही सर्त चले आणि चलयो विभागात जाल्ली आणि सर्तीत 27 पंगडांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो। पळयात, दादल्यांच्या फायनलीत टीवाय बीकॉम डी वर्गान एसवाय बीकॉम बी वर्गाचेर 1-0 अशी मात करून चॅम्पियन जाले। टीवाय बीकॉम आणि एसवाय बीकॉम हांचे मदीं जाल्ले बायलांचे फायनलीत 1-1 अशी बरोबरी जाली आणि उपरांत एसवाय बीकॉम पेनाल्टी शूटआउटात जैतिवंत जावन भायर सरली। बायलांच्या विभागात डोनिया फेर्नांडीसाक उत्कृष्ट खेळगड्याचो खिताब मेळ्ळो, जाल्यार दादल्यांच्या विभागात कुबेर बस्तवाडकाराक उत्कृष्ट खेळगड्याचो खिताब फावो जालो।
And this is one of their initiative. I am just here to just motivate them and support them. The entire groundwork done by both of my colleagues is really wonderful. I really appreciate the kind of efforts for having motivated 17 teams, 17 classes to compete with each other, boys and girls, and 27 teams to contest. And the most exciting part here is we today presented our own alumni, Rehan and Devendra, both who are some kind shining alumni of ours and also playing football and bringing glory to the state. So I think my young students at SS Dempo would take motivation and inspiration from both our players. And Dempo is always known for good sports and promoting sports. We'll continue to work together as Team Dempo.
We had almost around 500 students playing and taking part on the ground, and it's a big, I'm filled with gratitude to all the stakeholders who has provided this ground so that the youngsters can come forward. We always complain that students don't come, take part, but if we provide them the infrastructure and the opportunity, they do not lag behind in taking part and reaching the heights that their potential that they have. We had in the men's section, we had SY Becom B versus TY Becom D, wherein TY Becom D emerged the eventual winners in the championship. And in the women's section, we had class Y, wherein all the first years were clubbed together as one team, SYs in one team, TYs in one team. And there the SYs managed to defeat the TYs in the women's section and emerged champions.
As you know, these days media and people are like on their phones more and more, so it is very important that students especially and the youth get involved in sports activities, not only to raise the level of sports in our state but even for their own personal health and well-being. So I feel like it is very important that students take more interest, the youth take more interest in sports these days, and they should have a balance between their sports and their academic pursuits.
So I feel like the players who played here, they are very lucky to play here. Because when we were playing, there was no proper ground. Still we managed to play, but they got a good ground and good opportunity. Like even everything was managed properly.
Congratulations to you.
On the others, we can give them a round of applause.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिक्स, मनीष परब आणि निखिल जल्मी।